In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can do a running total, how you can accumulate total in a variable. For example, you have a variable called sum, and you initialize it as 0 because you want to keep the initial value as 0, and you want to add three numbers. For example, for I from 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So you are asking the user enter three numbers, okay, to get the total. Okay, and in this case I create a loop to loop for 3 times to ask for the input from the user 3 times. Okay, and cout enter number, okay, I plus plus, okay, input to this number. Okay, so input integer okay, number. Okay, and then you input to this number, then you use the sum equals to sum plus number. Okay, and after repeating the loop for 3 times, asking for 3 numbers, and it will output the sum is sum. Okay, when you run the code, what you see here is that, okay, so this is called the accumulator to keep the running total. Okay, so initially it is 0, and here it is prompting you enter 3 numbers to get a total. Okay, enter 3 numbers to get a total, enter number 0. Here I put 0. Oh, it's supposed to be plus 0 here. Okay, let's modify this. Okay, run this thing again. Okay, it exit and run again. Okay, now enter number 1 because initially it's 0 is because I increment it. Enter number 1. Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong. It should be I plus 1. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so okay, enter number I plus 1. I is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, enter number 1. So I enter number 1. Let's say I enter 3. Enter number 2. As you can see here, what you entered 3 just now is being added to sum. 3 plus sum, 3 plus 0 is 3. Now when it will loop back here, okay, it will loop back here asking for the second number. Okay, asking for the second number. Okay, and then you enter the second number. I put number 5, and it asks, and 5 just now, what you entered just now, 5 plus sum, and remember sum has already been 3, so 5 plus 3 is now 8. So here it will be 8. Okay, and it will loop again asking for the last number, which is, let's say, 2. Okay, so the result is 10. So remember just now when I it is asking for number 3 and I enter 2. Remember this sum as accumulating 8, the value of 8, because of the result of the previous calculation. Okay, sum plus the new number, which is 2 just now, so it becomes sum was 8 just now. 8 plus 2 is now 10. So now it exit because it exit the code because I is now, it has increased to I, which is 3. 3 less than 3 is false, so it will exit. It will no longer do this statement, and it will display the sum. Sum is now 10, which is the result of this addition. So this is how you accumulate the total, okay? Or we keep a running total. How you keep a running total, but it must be initialized to 0, okay? And for this one, you can simplify it as sum plus equal number. This produce the same result.